Hey guys, it's Zeus Cubing here. So today I'm gonna teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube using the beginner's method. This tutorial is for the people who do not know how to solve a cube at all. So let's start the video. Basically, I'm gonna divide this into 4 episodes, this series into 5 episodes actually. The first 4 will be the fundamentals of the cube and how to solve the cube, and the last one will be example solves so that you can watch it and understand how it's done. So let's start with the tutorial. So these are the fundamentals of a cube. So basically, in a cube there are total 6 faces. You must be knowing that. Then these pieces are known as the center pieces. They do not move anyway, however, even if you try to move them. Next, let's go on to the edge pieces. So these are the edge pieces, the ones directly connected to the centers. There are total 12 edges in a Rubik's Cube, in a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Next are the corner pieces. These come between 2 edges and are diagonally connected from the center. So there are total 8 corner pieces. So these are the basic pieces of a cube. Now let's move on into the movement of a cube. So in movement of pieces, we'll be looking at how to move, like what are the notations of the movements that we do on a cube. This is important because knowing these notations, we can learn algorithms that make solving a cube easy. So let's start. So first, when we move the right side towards the top, it is known as R. So this, when we move the right side towards the top, it's known as R. And the opposite, when we move the right side towards the bottom, it's known as R prime. So this is R, this is R prime, R, and this is also R prime. Next, this is when you move the left side towards the top. This part is a little confusing. When you move the left side towards the top, it's L prime. So I remember it as R prime. The opposite of it is L prime. So when we move it towards the top, it's L prime, and when we move it towards the bottom, it's L. So L prime, L, L prime, L, in that way. So the next movement we are gonna learn is the U move. So the U move is when we move the top layer towards the left. So this is known as a U. Next, when we move it towards the opposite side, it's known as the U prime. So this is U prime. So U and U prime. Now I'm going to teach you D. So D is the similar case. It's like the L and R part, where when we do U, similarly it will be D prime, U prime, D. I'll explain it again. So D is when we move the bottom part towards the right, so like this, and D prime is when we move it towards the left. That is the D move. Next, I'm going to teach you the F move. So the F move is when we move the face of the cube like this. So basically, what you have to do, on the right side, the corner, you have to push it down. So that is an F move. And similarly, F prime, the left corner, you have to push it down. That is an F prime. So these are the basic movements you need to know for learning the beginner's method of a cube. There are many more movements on a cube, but I'm not teaching it right now because you'll just get confused. So yeah, that's it for the movement part. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. So we are done with the fundamentals, and in the next video I will be teaching you how to complete the first layer of a cube. So please like the video and subscribe to my channel and comment down if this helped you. Thank you for watching the video. See you in my next video. Bye.